Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.14 sum. Let's see the question. Which of the following are AP? So they have given some sequence. We need to find whether they are in AP or not, and also find the common difference. If they are in AP, we need to find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. We need to find the next 3 terms. In the 8th question, it is given that minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Here we need to find the common difference of 2 or 3 common difference and check whether they are in AP. If they are equal, they form an AP. For D1, it is A2 minus A1. That is second term minus the first term. So minus 1 by 2, minus of minus will become plus. So it becomes 0. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled and become 0. We need to find D2. D2 is A3 minus A2, which is minus 1 by 2. A3 is minus 1 by 2. As I said before, minus into minus will become plus. So here 0. Most of them have a doubt whether a common difference D can be 0. Yes, it can be, because the only rule is the common difference should be same. It can be any number, any negative number, any positive number, any irrational number or rational number. The thing is, common difference should be equal. Here the common difference is equal, therefore they form an AP. And our common difference D will be equal to 0. So common difference is 0. Then therefore we need to find the next 3 terms, which is A5, A6, A7. Seeing the question directly you can tell what will be the next number, because everything is minus 1 by 2. Even this will be minus 1 by 2. Okay, no problem, we'll find. It is A plus 4D, because AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the AN formula. We know this A is the first number. N minus 1 is, here it is 5, so 5 minus 1 will be 4D. For whatever number is given, the preceding number will come here. So A plus here 5D. For A7 it is A plus 6D. Now A is minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into 0. 0 into any number will be 0, so minus 1 by 2. Same way, here is also minus 1 by 2 and here is also minus 1 by 2. We need to write the next 3 terms. Therefore the next 3 terms will be minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. This is the answer for the 8th sum. We'll move on to the 9th one. The 9th one, it is given as 1 comma 3 comma 9 comma 27. We'll find the common difference D to find whether they are in AP. So D1 equal to A2 minus A1, that is 3 minus 1, which is 2. For common difference D2, A3 minus A2, which is 9 minus 3 is 6. See, it is not equal. D1 is not equal to D2. Therefore it doesn't form an AP. So 9th one is not an AP. We'll move on to the 10th one. The 10th sum is A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A comma dot dot dot. We need to find common difference 1, that is A2 minus A1, which is 2A minus A. A2 minus A1. Here in case if you see variables, just it is a like term. It's the same variable is coming, A is coming. So just solve the coefficient. Coefficient here is 2 minus 1, which is 1. Also write the A with it. So 2A minus 1A is nothing but 1A. The common difference 2 is A3 minus A2. The same way, third element minus the second one. As A is same, write the A and solve the coefficient, which is 3 minus 2 is 1. So here is also we are getting 1A. So D1 equal to D2. Therefore it forms an AP. So it is in AP. We need to find D. D is nothing but 1A or A, everything is same. So D equal to A. We need to find the next three term, that is A5, A6 and A7. So A5 is A plus 4D, A6 is A plus 5D, A7 is A plus 6D. So here A is A, so A plus 4 into common difference is A. So 4 into A will become 4A. As I told before, if there is A, just write A and solve the coefficients. 1 plus 4 will be 5. Here A plus 5D, 5A. D is A, so I am writing instead of D A. Here also A plus 6D. So 6 into A. A plus 6A will become 6 plus 1, 7A. So therefore, the next three terms are 5A, 6A, 7A. So we have found the next three terms of the sum. We'll move on to the 11th one. 11th one, the question is A comma, A square comma, A cube comma, A power 4. D1 equal to A square minus A. We can't solve A square minus A, so we can take a common outside, so I am taking A to be common outside. Here you have A into A, so I have one A here, so I am taking it outside. Even this A comes out, here 1A will be inside minus 1, because there is no A, not a 0, it should be minus 1. If you multiply this 2, you need to get this. A into A will become A square, A into minus 1 will become minus A. So there is no change in taking a common outside. So this is D1. I need to find D2. D2 is A3 minus A2. Okay, I have written directly. That is nothing but A cube minus A square. Here, as I said before, we can't solve it as there is no like term. We need to take the common outside. If I take common outside A, I get A square. The lowest power will be taken outside. Here the lowest power is 2, so I have taken A2 outside. I get A1A. If I multiply this 2, now I need to add the power. It becomes A3 minus 1. See, here A minus 1, here is also A minus 1. But here it's A square and A, which is not equal. Everything should be equal. Not only this, even the outside term should be equal. As it is not equal, they are not, does not form an AP. As D1 is not equal to D2, they are not in AP. So everything should be equal. Here it is not equal. D1 is not equal to D2. They does not form an AP. That's all with the 11th sum. Thank you.